for the fifth question, which is P333, consolidated worksheet and balance sheet on the acquisition date. Okay, so Peanut Company acquired 90% of Snoopy companies for $270,000 on January 1st, 2008. Okay, when the book value of Snoopy's net asset was equal to $300,000. So Peanut uses equity method for its investment. We are given the trial balance of both company at January 1st, 2008. So we are asked to prepare the journal entries about the acquisition of Snoopy, and then consolidated worksheet at acquisition date and consolidated balance sheet at acquisition date. So for the journal entries, like the way you do usually, so is debit investment in Snoopy stock, credit cash $270,000. Okay, because Peanut only purchased 90%. Yeah, so it is only $270,000. And then B, we are asked to do the consolidation worksheet. And then before that, please remember to do the basic elimination entries. Okay, so we debit common stock, debit retained earnings, and then credit investment in Snoopy stock, $270,000, credit NCI in an A of Snoopy, $30,000. This $30,000, it is 10% of $300,000. Okay, because Peanut purchased 90%, so left 10% for NCI. Okay, so the NCI in A is only 10% times $300,000. So if you want to do the book value calculation, it's okay. Okay, it is more clearer for you to see. And then we have the optional accumulated depreciation entry. So we can see that in the question we have the accumulated depreciation of 10,000 for Snoopy company. So if it is given the data, please do the journal entries, and then we can prepare the worksheet. Okay, so we put all of the data from the trial balance given in the question. Please remember to make sure it is balanced for both company, and then we can put all of our elimination entry inside the columns of worksheet. Okay, so common stock, retained earnings, we debit it, and then investment and NCI in A of Snoopy, we credit it. And then for the accumulated depreciation, we debit, we credit buildings and equipment, and then after that you balance the debit credit columns. Okay, and then we can do the consolidated columns. We just sum all of the numbers for both company. For buildings and equipment, always minus if it is on credit. For accumulated depreciation, always plus the debit side because it is minus. Okay, and then investment must be 0. For the accounts payable, it's the same. Bonds payable also, you sum it. Then the common stock minus the debit side, retained earnings also. Then you need to put the NCI and A of Snoopy. After you have done the worksheet and it is balanced already, you can do the consolidated balance sheet. Okay, Peanut Company and subsidiary. So you list down all of the assets, and then you list down all of the liabilities and stockholders equity section. Okay, so again, if you want to do the T format, is also okay. If you want to do the list down format, is also okay. So the numbers, you just take it from the worksheet. Okay, so that's all for P333.